Hello friends. Today, we are going to learn all about vegetables. Are you ready to explore the yummy and healthy world of veggies? Let's go. This is tomato. Tomatoes are round, red, and juicy. Can you say tomato? Tomato. This is carrot. Carrots are long, crunchy, and orange. Say it with me, carrot. Carrot. This is beetroot. It's round, dark red, and grows under the ground. Say it with me, beetroot. Beetroot. This is turnip. It's round, purple and white, and grows under the ground. Say it with me, turnip. Turnip. This is potato. Potatoes can be mashed, baked, or fried. Say it with me, potato. Potato. This is green capsicum. It's shiny, crunchy, and shaped like a bell. Say it with me, green capsicum. Green capsicum. This is red capsicum. It's bright red, sweet, and shaped like a bell. Say it with me, red capsicum. Red capsicum. This is radish. It's small, white, and grows under the ground. Say it with me, radish. Radish. These are beans. They are long, green, and grow on a vine. Say it with me, beans. Beans. This is brinjal. It's purple, shiny, and shaped like an egg. Say it with me, brinjal. Brinjal. This is green chilli. It's long, green, and super spicy. Say it with me, green chilli. Green chilli. This is red chilli. It's long, bright red, and super spicy. Say it with me, red chilli. Red chilli. This is corn. It's yellow, sweet, and grows on a cob. Say it with me, corn. Corn. This is mushroom. It's soft, round on top, and grows in damp places. Say it with me, mushroom. Mushroom. This is cucumber. It's long, green, and full of water. So cool and fresh. Say it with me, cucumber. Cucumber. This is okra. It's long, green, and shaped like a finger. Say it with me, okra. Okra. This is drumstick. It's long, green, and grows on a tall tree. Say it with me, drumstick. Drumstick. These are peas. They are small, round, and sweet, hiding inside a green pod. Say it with me, peas. Peas. This is pumpkin. It's big, round, and orange, and very heavy. Say it with me, pumpkin. Pumpkin. This is bottle gourd. It's long, light green, and shaped like a bottle. Say it with me, bottle gourd. Bottle gourd. This is sweet potato. It's purple on the outside, orange inside, and tastes sweet. Say it with me, sweet potato. Sweet potato. This is onion. It's round, has many layers, and can make you cry when you peel it. Say it with me, onion. Onion. This is garlic. It's small, white, and made of many little cloves. Say it with me, garlic. Garlic. This is ginger. It's light brown, knobbly, and has a strong smell. Say it with me, ginger. Ginger. This is cabbage. It's big, round, and full of crunchy green leaves. Say it with me, cabbage. Cabbage. This is cauliflower. It's white on top, green at the bottom, and looks like a fluffy cloud. Say it with me, cauliflower. Cauliflower. This is broccoli. It's green and looks like a tiny tree. Say it with me, broccoli. Broccoli. This is leek. It's long, green on top, white at the bottom, and grows in the soil. Say it with me, leek. Leek. This is celery. It's long, green, and super crunchy. Say it with me, celery. Celery. This is spinach. It's soft, green, and full of goodness to make us strong. Say it with me, spinach. Spinach. This is coriander. It's small, green, and has a fresh, yummy smell. Say it with me, coriander. Coriander. These are dill leaves. They are thin, feathery, and smell so nice. Say it with me, dill leaves. Dill leaves. These are curry leaves. They are small, green, and make food smell amazing. Say it with me, curry leaves. Curry leaves. This is lettuce. It's light green, leafy, and super crunchy. Say it with me, lettuce. Lettuce. This is mint. It's small, green, and has a cool, fresh smell. Say it with me, mint. Mint. Wow, friends! We learned so many vegetables today. Remember, eating vegetables makes us healthy and strong. Thank you for learning with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.